Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall and reinstall Bitdefender to repair the program if it's not running correctly on Windows PCs. By following this reinstall procedure, your customized settings are saved and available in the new installed product. To uninstall and reinstall Bitdefender, you want to access the control panel and use the uninstall or change a program feature provided by Windows. The first step is to click the Windows Start menu and begin typing APPWIZ.CPL in the search box. Select APPWIZ.CPL in the list of search results or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Now we're inside the uninstall or change a program section from control panel. The next step after you've opened uninstall or change a program is to select the name of your Bitdefender security product in the list. For us, it's Bitdefender Total Security. Depending on your subscription, the name will probably be different. Look for Bitdefender Total Security, Bitdefender Internet Security or Bitdefender Antivirus Plus. Right-click on your Bitdefender security program and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Yes. In the new window, click Reinstall. The program is first uninstalled, then reinstalled. Click Restart Device when prompted. Your Windows computer will automatically shut down and turn itself back on. After the reboot process, your Bitdefender product will download once more. Once the download is complete, click on Install. Then wait until the process is finished. Finally, click on Finish. Bitdefender is now reinstalled. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help, the Bitdefender support website.